So this is called etched primer we've got on here. We've painted that mural out. We've loosened all the electrics there on the top. That's going to get painted tomorrow, the roof. We don't need to do that wall so much. We've got this one here done. And here we got this all smartened up. So that's day one's work done. Puffed today. So I've got to strip this out this evening. So take the mirror down, all this sort of stuff. So give Gary a fair go at it. There's your wall, Bev. It's come up all right. And there's your holes in the wall roof where you put the curtains up. But that's the sealer we've got on there at the moment. And this roof's done. And these walls here. And we're going to run a sealer up those beads there. Now we've got the second to final coat on the roof here. Final coat on the roof in the bedroom. Both bedrooms, that's the final coat. Okay, now Gary just goes ahead of me today. This is Tuesday. He's going to go around and cut all this in again around those quarter rounds. Wednesday morning, we're expecting rain. Fence painted right through to just about to the other end. Need to go and get another one of those. I'll put a fresh one on if I can. Gary's due here in half an hour. Yesterday we got paint out of that tin through this roller onto all the ceiling, so that's all done. I've just got to go now around and seal these gaps up here because the colour there to there will show dark, so I've got to fill those gaps there and these ones on this other wall here and around there. Wednesday morning, starting to get the first of the undercoat on in the room here. So here we go. This is the first of the top coat going on in the kitchen. The afternoon of Wednesday. So it seems to be blending in so far pretty good, doesn't it, Gary?
Yeah.
So Gary goes ahead of me and just cuts it in, gets all the edges dead right and everything, and then I follow around with the roller. He does the first 2 to 3 inches around on the panels. This is the final coat this morning. I've got Gary here. This is Thursday morning, Gary. Everything's going about according to plan, isn't it?
Well, close to it.
Yeah. And we're putting a what's that? What would you call that coat on there? Semi?
Yeah, semi-gloss top coat.
And I'm so lucky I can put you on fast forward to get some work out of you. So it's Friday morning, we've got the top coat on the roof, the walls. Starting to put the curtains back. We've finished painting out the bathroom. And Gary's today's putting the undercoat, first coat on the kitchen here. It's a white coat right around the wood part. And the cupboard doors get a different colour again. So I put a new cylinder in here, that's a whole brand new one there. And it does what cylinders should do. There's no leaks in under here, or down under here, or there. So that's back to A grade. And I've got the water, so it's just down below that. So that's it, the finish of that undercoating, Gary. Gary?
Yep.
Hmm? Well, let's have a cup of tea, eh?
Yep. I'll get all the top coat.
All the bottom coats on, now we're moving to the top coats. The kitchen's all done out, ready to go. These cupboards, and even this door here to my right. So that's looking good. Lots of little surfaces in there, Gary, eh? So what do you make of it all, Jade?
Oh, nice colour, it's very nice and bright and wonderful thing.
Yeah, it'd be lovely, wouldn't it? Yeah.
And I like spare room.
Spare room,
I
yeah.
like spare room.
Yeah.
Nice colour, grey, good, nice.
Yeah. We've got that new curtain there, haven't we?
Curtain
Yeah.
and
New cylinder.
yeah.
Yeah. Yep. And we've shortened the pipe, so it's all looking good, isn't it? So we've just got to put the curtains back up and we're right, aren't we?
Right, yeah.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Beautiful. Well, I hope you're nice and comfortable here, eh?
Cool.